Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and today we are making a bed for Santa. So let's see what we are going to use. We already have a bed here, and it's not a nice looking bed. I mean, it's intact, but it needs a lot of improvement. So we are going to leave it there, and we're going to focus on what we're going to use. We are going to use these pieces that you see here. Those balls that you see there, and the sticks. The sticks are stirrers, coffee stirrers. I have a whole bunch here. And those balls are those glittery balls that you find for Christmas. So just with those items, let's see what we can make for him. Okay, so we have our bed. So why don't we place him over here so that he can see what we're doing and how we're making his bed. So let's use the first piece. Let's put his bed right there. Okay, now I have this nice fabric. Look at how beautiful that is. I already folded it. So all I'm going to do is just place it around the bed like this. Just like that. Okay. Already it starts looking really nice. Then I have a little pillow here that I made out of, there's a piece of foam in there, and that's just a tissue. It's like a toilet tissue, but it's a thick one. So that is his pillow, and we're going to put it right there. Okay, we're not done yet. You see this piece here? This is actually a divider, but I'm not going to use it as a divider. It's very pretty, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these out. These are removable. And all I'm left is with this piece here. But I'm going to flip it like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it back here as part of the headboard. Just like that. It's a little crooked, I think, but isn't that beautiful already? Look at that. We're not done yet. Just to watch, I am going to take one of these stirrers and one of these little balls, and I'm going to use one of these push pins, and I'm going to make a hole in the bowl like that. See? Then I'm going to take it out and take the stirrer and use that same hole. And look, it stays. I already had done a hole in this spot, in this bowl, so I'm going to stick the stirrer in there. And now I have two of these. They look like giant lollipops, or so we're going to use these at the very end of the beds like this. Let's fix this. Look at this. Look at that. Doesn't that look cute for Santa? I think he likes it. Let's see his face. Yup. He is pleased with this bed. Well, why don't we add this little red carpet? I bought these from Amazon a while back. I have some different colors. But there you go. I think that's a cute bed. So I'm going to be back with more videos on making things for Santa. So today's video was making a bed for Santa that he feels comfortable in. Somewhere where he can rest and get a good night's sleep before he starts his journey with the reindeer. Thank you for watching.